Parker Dam is a fascinating piece of engineering that holds the title of the deepest dam in the world. Located on the Colorado River between Arizona and California, its history is marked by intense political conflict, legal battles, and a unique design, where the majority of the structure remains hidden from view. One, the deepest dam in the world. While Hoover Dam is famous for its massive height, Parker Dam is an engineering marvel for what lies below the riverbed. The 73% rule. The dam stands 320 feet tall, but only 85 feet are visible above the waterline. Deep excavation. To reach solid bedrock, engineers had to excavate 235 feet below the original riverbed. This makes it the only dam in the world that is significantly more underground than it is above ground. The architect. It was designed and built by the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation between 1934 and 1938. 2. The war and the Arizona Navy. The construction of the dam nearly led to a literal war between Arizona and California in 1934. The conflict. Arizona Governor Benjamin Mower was furious that the dam was being built primarily to divert water to Los Angeles via the Colorado River Aqueduct. He viewed it as a water grab by California. The Navy. In 1934, Mower sent the Arizona National Guard to the dam site to halt construction. They famously commandeered two local ferry boats, the Julia B and the Nellie T, to patrol the river, earning them the tongue-in-cheek nickname, the Arizona Navy. A halt. The U.S. Secretary of the Interior eventually ordered a work stoppage until the legal dispute was settled. Supreme Court ruling. In 1935, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Arizona, stating that the dam had never been specifically authorized by Congress. However, Congress quickly passed the Rivers and Harbors Act of 1935, which legally authorized the project and allowed work to resume. 3. Funding and purpose. Parker Dam is unique because of its private-public funding model. Who paid? Although it was a federal project, it was funded entirely by the Metropolitan Water District of Southern California, MWD. Lake Havasu. The dam created Lake Havasu, a 45-mile-long reservoir that acts as a giant settling basin for silt. The aqueducts, its primary job is to serve as the intake point for the Colorado River Aqueduct, sending water to Southern California. The Central Arizona Project, CAP, sending water to Phoenix and Tucson, a project Arizona eventually secured as part of the compromise. 4. Power generation. The Parker Power Plant was completed in 1942. It houses 4 massive generators. Roughly 50% of the electricity generated is used by the MWD to power the massive pumps that push water across the California desert. The rest is sold to utilities in the Southwest. 5. Modern legacy. Today, Parker Dam is the anchor of a massive recreation and utility hub. Lake Havasu City. The reservoir led to the founding of Lake Havasu City in the 1960s, famously home to the reconstructed London Bridge. Water security. It remains one of the most critical pieces of infrastructure in the law of the river, ensuring a steady supply of water to millions of people in both states.